right there.
Which this one?
Now where are we?
I can't tell.
It's too difficult. Section 8. What section is this? Section 8.
We're
Okay.
here to be in Section 8, or Group W.
Is the red light on?
No.
No, the red light's not on? It should be on. If the red light's on, then you're
Like I said, Section 8.
You've got Buenos Tarres over your shoulder.
He's a power mad throttle jockey. He's just revving it. He can't help it. He's looking to scratch himself like a monkey. Man's got some kind of piss and vinegar in him, if you ask me. He's speaking gibberish. Perhaps he has his mouth full.
Now what's he doing?
He's got to fix his hair. That's what his manager tells me. I'm privy to these things.
Word has it. You got one of these.
He wants to get a run at it, it appears. Okay. Now that the ground squirrel has been cleared from the course.
Belly pain.
Yeah. Handling that.
Quite. Woo!
Oh, Jordi's mooning the crowd. This isn't going over well.
So I wonder what happened to the rest of our clan.
Our plan?
Clan.
Oh.
The clan.
Splitters.
The splinter.
I'm not responsible for anything they do or don't do. Fading in?
You're fading in.
In
Let's
and
check
out.
and see what time it is. It says 12:55. It must mean it's 2 o'clock. All right, so we have some damage
Take the
here
word for it.
and some damage control going on over here.
Damage control at the rest stop here for the wretched, the wicked, those in need of
You take
narcotics.
2?
Yeah, I'll take 4.
4.
I don't know. I'll only bike it in. I'll take 3 because I might need one to knock you out later.
Okay, so we just climbed up the hill from Section 8. We're on our way to Section 9, which appears to be over here somewhere.
Uno. Dos. Y tres.
Don't mix alcohol. Don't try this at home.
Don't ever drink and try to take pictures. It'll end badly.
Some nice thunder.
The sky is black. It's really cool. Thunder. We've had lightning today. It's beautiful. Top of the world, Ma.
And even a little rain.
Well, only on the just. Left us alone.
Okay, we'll check with you later at Section 9. Adios.